This is the SpyraThree water gun, and here's my honest review. The packaging is very sleek and informative. So inside the box you get the SpyraThree itself, a USB-C charging cable, a little cleaning tool for the barrel, and a short manual. First thing I noticed, this thing feels premium. It's got some solid weight to it, the design is super slick, and it even has a digital display that tells you how many shots you have left. The gun has 3 modes, burst, open, and league. I cover each mode later in the video. Refilling is actually super easy. Just dip the front of the gun into water and hold the trigger. It autofills in about 10 seconds. No pumping, no caps, just dunk and go. It's one of the coolest features, honestly. This is league mode, which delivers a powerful shot when you hold down the trigger. This is burst mode, which shoots 3 quick shots right in a row. This is open mode, which shoots a quick shot each time you press the trigger. Charging is super simple. Use the USB Type-C charger that comes in the box. Charging takes about 6 hours, and one charge will last for about 4 hours of use. If you're thinking about grabbing one, I've dropped an Amazon link in the description.